Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 1 Series headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb for your specific model. Always ensure your engine is completely off and the ignition is switched off to prevent any electrical issues. It's also wise to consult your BMW owner's manual for precise bulb specifications and any model-specific instructions before you begin. Next, you'll need to access the bulb housing. Locate the small access panel or cover situated at the rear of your headlight assembly. Depending on your BMW 1 Series model, this might involve removing a few clips or screws, typically with a flathead screwdriver. Once the cover is off, gently but firmly detach the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by pressing its release tab. Now it's time for the bulb itself. You'll typically find a retaining spring or a twist lock mechanism holding the bulb in place. Unclip the spring or twist the bulb holder about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Secure the new bulb by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting the bulb holder clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place for a secure connection. Replace the access cover, making sure it's properly sealed. Then, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly and providing proper illumination. You've successfully changed your BMW 1 Series headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.